Hello, testing. Hello, hello, hello.
Have you ever seen lights dance with music? In this video, I'll show you how to make a music reactive LED light circuit using simple transistors and very low-cost components. No Arduino, no ICs, just pure electronics. Welcome back to the channel. Today I have made a music reactive or audio reactive LED light circuit that reacts to sound and music in real time. As soon as sound reaches the microphone, the LEDs start glowing and dancing with the beat. This project is perfect for beginners, and you can easily make it at home. Let's quickly look at the components used in this project. BC547 NPN transistor, C828 NPN transistor, 18K ohm resistor, quarter watt, 3.3 mega ohm resistor, quarter watt, 100K ohm resistor, quarter watt, 10 microfarad capacitor, condenser microphone, 9 to 12 volt DC battery or power supply, LED diodes any color, as per your choice. First, take the LED diodes and make pairs of 3 LEDs connected in series. Make sure you correctly identify the anode and cathode. In my circuit, I am using 9 LEDs in total, arranged as 3 pairs, but you can add more LEDs if you want brighter output. Now let's understand the circuit connections. First, take the BC547 transistor. Its pin configuration is first pin, collector, second pin, base, third pin, emitter. Next, take the C828 transistor. Its pin configuration is first pin, emitter, second pin, collector, third pin, base. Now connect the collector of the C828 transistor to the base of the BC547 transistor. After that, connect both transistor emitter pins together. Take an 18K ohm resistor and connect one side to the base of the BC547 transistor. Then, take a 3.3 mega ohm resistor and connect it to the base of the C828 transistor. Now take the 10 microfarad capacitor. Connect its negative pin to the base of the C828 transistor. Next, take the 100K ohm resistor and connect it to the positive pin of the capacitor. Now, connect the other ends of all 3 resistors together. Take the condenser microphone. Connect the negative pin of the mic to the common emitter point of both transistors. Connect the positive pin of the mic to the positive side of the capacitor. Now connect the positive side of the LED pairs to the point where all 3 resistors are joined together. Connect the negative side of the LEDs to the collector of the BC547 transistor. Finally, connect the negative terminal of the power supply to the emitter pins of both transistors. And connect the positive terminal of the power supply to the LED positive point. I am using a 9-volt battery, but you can also use a 12-volt DC supply for brighter LED glow.
Hello, testing. Hello, hello, hello.
Now let's understand how this circuit works. The condenser microphone detects sound signals from music or voice. These audio signals are very weak, so they are first amplified by the C828 transistor. The amplified signal is then fed to the BC547 transistor, which further amplifies the signal and controls the LED current. Whenever sound reaches the microphone, the transistors turn on and off rapidly according to the sound intensity. As a result, the LEDs start glowing and flickering with the music. That's why you can see the lights dancing with sound and music. This circuit can be used for music reactive LED lights, party and DJ lighting, decoration lights, learning audio amplification, beginner electronics projects. As you can see, when sound comes near the microphone, the LEDs instantly react and glow. The louder the sound, the brighter the LEDs. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more simple and useful electronics projects. If you have any questions or want improvements like more LEDs or more sensitivity, comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.